What's good, YouTube? Y'all know this. It should go cool. There were a couple questions, but make sure that like, comment, and subscribe button if you're coming back. Welcome back, y'all. Y'all, 2 videos in one day is crazy work. Just imagine when all my kids are in school, I'm gonna have a lot more time to do videos, because that's really why I don't be recording them, because I'll be doing a lot. But y'all, in this video, I'm gonna be basically just eating and talking to y'all. I got 2 breakfast burritos. You know, see, I have a breakfast burrito. I've never ate this before, so I'm trying to do it the first time. I'm gonna eat it with some Taco Bell hot sauce. Yeah, Taco Bell hot sauce. We're not gonna say who this was. She was gonna eat it. So you like Taco Bell? Okay. This is the burrito. It has eggs in it, cheese, and breakfast sausage. I think that's it. But we're finna eat it. Oh. Hold on, y'all. This is good. It's good for real. That's it. This is really good. I got potatoes in it. Oh yeah. And I have a bowl right here. It's not falling on my bed. This is good though. This is really good. But this is actually good, y'all. Actually good. I had bought these with my groceries, but I never opened them because I really thought they was gonna be nasty, because I don't eat everybody's eggs. I don't eat my eggs, my daddy eggs, and my mama eggs. I haven't tasted my oldest brother eggs yet. But this is really good. Good. Usually, I would not like this because of the eggs, but this, yeah, this is really supposed to be the kids, but going off of the way it tastes and it looks, they're not gonna eat it. They're gonna mess over it, most definitely. I'm gonna mess over it. Oh, it's so good. And this sauce doesn't even taste hot. This is really my mama's, this sauce. Oh, okay, so it has eggs, cheese, breakfast sausages, potatoes, and red peppers in it, because I see a red pepper. This is so good. I'm not even gonna exaggerate, you know, it's really good. Give me time. Okay. Y'all, so Ariana and Mama are with my oldest brother right now. I never, ever, and for almost 5 years of being a parent, being a mother, I've never had a break like this, like, ever. And my brother, he always said when I get back, I'm gonna give you a break from the boys. I'm gonna take them with me. We gonna ride. He stood on his word, for real. He stood on that. And he also got me a drink. Okay. He got me a drink, y'all. But I'm not drinking this right now. I'm gonna drink it later on tonight when I go to sleep. Or I might wait till my boyfriend come back over here. And drink it. Cause when I'm on it, I'm on it. When I'm on it, I'm on it. Hold on, y'all. Let me get a thumbnail right. All right, y'all. I got me a thumbnail. But I'm wasting this sauce everywhere. But y'all, I'm not even. But oh yeah, that's what I was saying. This is mine, so I can lick the tip. But yeah, I never had a break. And my brother stood on his word when he said he was gonna give me a break. I've never left my house without my boys. I just went to the hospital to have another baby. Like, it's so crazy to say. It's so crazy to say, but it's so true. I've never had a break, like a full day. Like right now, it is. Alexa, what time is it?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Oh dang it, I forgot the Wi-Fi. It's messing up right now. But right now, it is like, it's like 2 or 3 o'clock. And my brother came in my room and got them this morning when we woke up, which was at like 9. I just got baby Tay. That's it. And he's asleep. He's easy to deal with. But I've never had a break, y'all, like ever. I always had my kids with me 24/7. If my kids can't come, I can't come. And it's just how I be. But yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this break. I'm gonna love this when I drink it. I've actually never tasted this before. My mama drank it before, and it made her blood pressure go up because she got high blood pressure. I don't have high blood pressure, only when I'm pregnant. But I'm gonna drink it. My boyfriend's gonna see this video. And he's gonna be happy. Cause I haven't ate in 2 days, y'all. Well, is it 2 days? It's been like 2 days. Well, that was Sunday, today Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 2 days. I haven't eaten in 2 days because my boyfriend was over here like a whole day Sunday. And once we got back home, he had to leave at like, it was like 10 something. And then I asked him, oh, like, you still going home? And he was like, yeah. The second he told me that he's going, I started crying. Like, I started getting teary-eyed. Because if y'all, if y'all don't understand how much I'm on him, like, yo, I'm clingy, y'all. I'm clingy. That's not, I've never said that before, like, ever. But he made me clingy. Like, he does his job as a boyfriend very well. Let's just say that. He does his job very well. Never disappoint at all. At all. He takes care of me. Takes care of them kids. Helps me with them kids. Like, yeah, I'm on that. I'm on that. He ain't going nowhere. But, oh, that was too much. I'm making a mess. Y'all, me and my boyfriend, we was laughing at me and my baby daddy text messages. Cause like, nigga, what be going through your head? Like, what really be going through your head? I think this is my last bite, y'all. This is the last bite. Last bite. Is it? Let's see. Not the last bite. Can't open my mouth that wide now. But she know I'm good and she won't know. Y'all, y'all, yo, my son called me. He left his phone here. He called me. He called me on my mama's phone because he left his phone here. And the first thing he said, he told me what mama did. And then he's like, I miss you. I said, I miss you too. And he was like, I was like, y'all been being good? He said, yeah, I've been being good because I miss you. I told him, I said, you need to be good just to be good, not just because you miss me. But yeah, I'm not used to this for real. Like, it's a blessing for me to be able to get a break like this. Cause I never get breaks. I never get breaks. I literally just gotta put clothes on, film to get ready with me, just to probably sit in the house. Cause I got free time right now. Like, this reminds me of when I just had Ariane. When Ariane was the only kid. Cause right now it really feels like I have one kid. Cause my two oldest are with their uncle. It sounds so crazy to say. My two oldest. I have an oldest, my middle child, and my baby. But that's really the end of the video. I mean, I can stay and talk to y'all, but I gotta edit this other video and this video and get it posted today, which is today is July 29th. Because I don't know what time they're coming back, but when they come back, I want to have everything done, everything situated, so I can just deal with them. I don't know if he's gonna watch them the whole day, or when they come back, he's gonna give them back to me. Because he said he's giving me a break. So I don't know, giving me a break means he's gonna keep them the whole day until their bedtime, which is 8 o'clock, 8:30. Or just during the day. He was doing like stuff with them. Like they took the trash out. They my brother cut the grass and stuff like that. Cause y'all know my kids, they didn't have a real they didn't have a real father figure, man in their life, until I got with my boyfriend and until my brother came back. So I don't complain, because sometimes boys need that male figure in their life. They need to hear a man's voice instead of a woman's voice. Y'all hear my voice. Y'all think they be taking me serious all the time? No, they do not. That's why I got to yell to the top of my lungs for them to do stuff. I play with them too, but they know when I'm serious and when I'm not. When I know when I'm serious and when I'm not serious. Because when I'm not serious, I will laugh. But I say it all the time. I be like, I'm too goofy to be a parent. Like, hey. But y'all, I don't got nothing else to tell y'all for real, so I'm not gonna talk about. But I'm gonna end this video by saying, if you have help, if you have someone that wants to watch your kids and spend time with your kids, let them do it, because you will appreciate it a lot. Might not want to do it, but like once you get used to the fact that you trust that person, you know that person not gonna hurt your kids, they gonna get fed, they're not gonna get, like, basically they're protected. And plus, you should always pray over your kids. I do that every day. When they left in that car, I said a long prayer. I still have to protect them, keep them safe, keep them out of harm's way. Don't let anything happen to them. Don't let them police pull them over or anything like that. I said a good prayer. Cause they left like 3 times, and I pray every single time they left out that driveway. Cause my kids are my life. But like, I want to say like 2 years ago. Was it 2 years ago? No, it was like a year ago. I didn't want nobody to watch my kids, like, at all. Like, at all. I didn't trust nobody with my kids or anything. I always wanted to be with them. Like, yeah. But now, I'm like breaking loose of that. I feel like back then I was still kind of a kid, even though I was like, how old was I 2 years ago? I'm 27. I was like 25, 24. I feel like I was still a kid though, even though I was 24 or 25. I was still a kid because there was certain stuff I didn't want nobody to do with my kids. I didn't want nobody to watch my kids. I didn't want nobody to say nothing to me about my kids. Don't tell me how to raise them. Nothing. But now, this is the second person that I've actually like watched them without me being present. First person was my granny. You know, the second person is my oldest brother. And of course my mama, she been watching them. who knows who else I'm gonna let watch them without me being present. But that's the end of the video, y'all. If you like the content, if you like this video, if you like me doing mukbangs, let me know. Make sure you follow me on my social medias. They'll be in the description down below. I have Snapchat and Instagram. Snapchat, that's cool. Instagram, nothing's impossible _. Make sure you go follow me and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you made it this far in the video. I'm at 404 subscribers. My goal is 500. Yeah, my goal is 500 subscribers. And after that, my goal is 1K. We're gonna get there. But, he's asleep, y'all. Y'all should see the little face he's making. That's the video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Click the bell on top so you know when I post a video. It's your girl, Coop, Big Coop, not a little one, and I'm out. Peace. I'm blessed with 3 kings and a handsome-ass boyfriend. Bye. Y'all, I think my boys are back. I'm gonna record their reaction to seeing me after being with me the whole day. Y'all, my babies are back. My baby's back. Hey, Mama. You missed me? Yeah. You gotta take your shoes off. You gotta take your shoes off. You're home now. Thank you. Thank you. Wanna take your socks off? Wanna take off? Thank you.
Marshall, we bought some pizza.
Y'all bought some pizza?
Yeah, we bought some.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I was so quiet.
You were so quiet. Typical boys in the icebox. What is y'all looking for?